CRCL stock analysis and CRCL stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. And it's the only guy in the space that has actually done well over 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience. I've seen what's working for me and what's not. It's all on my YouTube channel, by the way. You can check it out. First thing, especially with this performance, Circle is not going to be a ticker that I'm immediately going to start buying. A lot of people assume stuff like that. Nope. I'm definitely looking to buy. I mean, come on. For me to buy, the price should break 152. And not only once, but then it should come down and break for a second time. And only now, if that's the case, I would further look to take things up. By the way, like, I have so much receipts with CRCL in the Discord. 49 receipts. It's not a small amount. Even, again, this guy is still printing in the Discord, but adding more to this is just gonna clutter the chart. Like, I like everything nice, steady, clean. We're in a demand zone. The only thing that will matter to me is exactly that confirmation. If I'm looking to buy, if I'm looking to sell, well, right now, I'm not gonna look to sell. But yeah, so if you want to stay tuned and want to get free stock picks, emails and insights sent out to you for free, click the first link in the description. It's free.